Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Shakeel Mansha and you are watching English with Shakeel Mansha. Today is our fourth lesson in this series of basics of English grammar. Today again we'll talk about subject. Okay. Today's video is about the division of subject. The subject in a sentence or sentences is divided on two bases. The first one is subject is divided on the basis of number, or the subject can be divided on the basis of structure. In this classification, first of all, we'll talk about number. By number mean a subject can either be singular or plural. Singular subject would be one noun or pronoun. For example, if I say the boy, now the boy is a single word. Similarly, Ali is a single word. The dog is a single word. So such subjects are called singular in number. The second type is pronoun. Subjects can also be plural. By plural, I mean more than one noun or pronoun. For example, the words boys, men, or the dogs. These words convey that all these subjects are more than one. The boys can be 2, 3, 4. Men can be more than one. The men can be 1,000 in number. Similarly, dogs can be more than one. Dogs can be 2, 3, 4, 5. All such nouns or pronouns, like if I say we, they, etc., such pronouns or nouns that are used more than one person, such pronouns or such nouns are subjects in plural, or they are plural subjects. Okay, when we talk about structure, a subject can either be simple in structure, it can be a compound subject, or a subject can be a complete subject. Let's talk about simple subject. Simple subject means there would only be one word. For example, Ali is playing. Now in this sentence, Ali is a subject and it is a single word. So this subject by structure is a simple subject. The second one is compound subject. Compound subject means there are two words at least. There are two words in a sentence that are performing the function of subject. Compound subjects are formed by adding words like and, or, nor, etc. For example, if I say Ali and Ahmad are friends. Look here, there is first noun Ali and there is second noun Ali, and these two nouns are attached by this word and. So such subjects are called compound subjects. Okay. The third one is complete subject. Complete subject is a subject that is formed by a modifier along with a noun. Okay, what is modifier? For the time being, I am just giving you a brief idea of modifiers. Modifiers can be articles or they can be possessives. If I say the boy, or if I say my friend. So, when these phrases are used as subjects of a sentence, they would be called complete subject. The article is attached to the boy, which is noun. Similarly, my is a possessive that is attached to the word friend, that is noun. Such subjects are called complete subjects. This is all about the structure and number of subject. Thank you so much.